So you guys, fall is upon us, okay? And what goes with fall? Of course, you have the beautiful colors that go with fall, the pumpkin lattes, okay? You have the nice sweaters, you have your little beanies that you can wear. You have so many different things that go with fall that I think about. Oh my gosh, you guys, pumpkins. Oh, it's that time of the year where all of like the olive greens and all of the burnt oranges and all these different things are in style, y'all. And guess what? Your girl is here for it, okay? Your girl is feeling this time of the year, and I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm getting ready to indulge in all fall activities, and this is the way that I'm getting ready to do it, okay? So y'all, I was just thinking to myself, you know, there are a few scents that I absolutely love, okay? Especially when it comes to date night, you guys. I have my essential scents that I'm going to pick up every time so that whenever my man see me, he could be like, "Ooh, girl, you smelling good, okay? You smelling good, you looking good. Everything is good," okay? So you guys, I wanted to share with y'all a few scents that I'm absolutely loving, okay? If you're having struggles in your relationship and you want to keep your man, these are ways that you can keep your man and that you can keep smelling good, okay? Because believe it or not, hygiene plays a big role. The way that you smell plays a big role, okay? In a lot of different things in a relationship, believe it or not. So you guys, I have to share these gems with all of my ladies because I want all of us to be able to keep our partner, okay? Be able to keep our person on our side. And this is one of the ways you can. So you guys, one of my favorite scents for fall so far has been this one right here. And this is Amber Vetiver. I think I'm saying that properly. Hopefully I am. This has top notes of bergamot, lemon, buchu, and it also has middle notes of orange blossom and violet. You guys, this is such a beautiful scent and I am loving it, okay? You guys, this scent right here is just so nice, okay? This scent right here, I've tried it. And when it comes to your person, they won't be able to keep their hands off of you. They'll be like, "Oh, girl, you smell so good. What do you have on today?" And you'll be like, "It's from Dossier. It's called Amber Vetiver." Okay? You guys, I am loving this. And I also love to put a little spritz of this on when I get out of the shower. And I just be like, "Ooh, Maddie girl, you is doing the dang thing today." So you guys, this right here is a fall essential that you need to pick up. Now, did I mention that Dossier offers some of the best scents for a fraction of the cost? Now, Woody Hyacinth is another one of my faves. This right here is for all of my ladies out there who love something that smells unique but good at the same time. This scent right here gives you the perfect amount of musk, okay? It's like that grown woman scent. This is like that ooh la la, like baby, I am grown and I don't even have to tell you, I don't have to show you, you can smell it in the air. This scent right here screams confidence, okay? This scent right here screams, I love myself even if you don't love me, okay? I love this scent right here because this gives grown woman. Or maybe you're a powdery hawthorn girl where you want something that's sweet and subtle. This has your top notes of neroli and orange blossom, and you guys, this is chef's kiss. I don't even know if I did that right, but hopefully I did. Y'all, this is one of my absolute faves. I just wore this out just a couple of days ago, and you guys, everyone was smelling this scent and they were like, "Girl, what do you have on?" And I was like, one of my favorite fall scents, and it's from Dossier, honey, and it's called Powdery Hawthorn. Beautiful scents, and you can definitely smell that base note of vanilla. It is just so amazing. And Powdery Jasmine is one that I have been wearing for the longest. I don't know what I would do without this scent because this is the scent that I just pick up when I can't figure out what else to wear, you guys. This is the scent like, I'm going to church. Let me throw me on some right quick because I don't want to be doing too much, okay? I'm not trying to go to church to get attention. I'm trying to focus on what I need to focus on when I step into that building. This is the scent that you choose for that right here. Powdery jasmine is a must-have. So you guys, make sure that you check out all these scents down below to get your smell good on and to keep your man, okay? Because don't we want to keep our boo thing? Oh, and Dossier offers scents for men as well, so make sure that you check those out down below in the description box. Let me keep wearing these scents. Let me go ahead and take me a shower, and tonight I'm going to put on Ambre Vetiver. So y'all, I got the What Lace wig. This is Brielle. Ooh, y'all, I'm kind of nervous. This is all that I got from the store. I got these hair clamps. The cashier lady went and got this for me, but this was not what I was asking for. I was really asking for like those hair clamps. I can't think of what they're called, but she brought me this. I don't think that that's going to work since, of course, this hair is very long. I got an eyebrow razor because I heard through the grapevine that you need these. I got 2 of these wig caps. I think it's 2 in each pack. I got the Ebon Wonder Lace Bun. This is melting spray. I got a bonnet because, of course, I believe I'm going to need this. I believe so. I got the Ebon Wonder Lace Bun adhesive spray. I got this elastic band to hold the lace into place. And that was all that I got, you guys. So let's bust open this sensational wig here. I'm kind of nervous, you guys. Sorry, y'all. There's a first time for everything, and this right here is my first time ever doing a lace wig, so I am nervous, to say the least. Very nervous. But hey, practice makes perfect, and you have to try things in order to learn, okay? So, just unwrapping her here. Ooh, sister girl is long. Okay, sister girl got some length to her. Alright. That is what she looks like straight out of the package. Y'all see the lace. Ooh, why do I feel like I'm going to look so crazy in this? Oh, but that looks good up close. Y'all see? Ooh, girlfriend is long and soft. Okay, y'all. Here goes nothing. Okay, y'all, so I just glued it down. It's cute or whatever. It's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? I don't want to stick the actual wig down low. I don't know if this part is supposed to go in the back or in the front. Anyway, y'all, this is what we're rocking with. I'm gonna throw this on, and I'm gonna call it a night, to be honest, because baby, the girl got to get up. Good morning, y'all. It is 4:56 right now. Y'all know I normally wake up about 5. It is another day. I wanted to show y'all what my hair was looking like on technically day 2. I'm trying to be quiet because my baby is asleep. So don't mind the whispering. And it's only 5 o'clock in the morning, so I have a hair right here. Okay, y'all, let me show y'all this real quick, like, and y'all can just think of this as like some ASMR. Cute, right? So y'all, your girl went to the beauty supply store, okay? I'm like, okay, let me go get me a wig. Y'all know I've been wearing this wig for a couple days now. It's time for a new one. My goal is to change out my wig every week, unless it's human hair, you know, like people get their hair done every week, or some people do at least. Anyways, y'all, I go to the beauty supply store. This same wig that's on Amazon for $47, he trying to charge me $147 for it. I said that's $100 overpriced. Well, we can knock off 40%. It's still overpriced. No matter what, it's still overpriced. Nonetheless, I said I ain't coming back here no more. Yes, Royal, I feel that, baby. I feel the same way. Mama feel the same way. But yeah, an overpriced store. Anyway, really what I came on here for was to end off the vlog. You want to end the vlog, Roro? So thank y'all for watching my mama channel. So subscribe to my channel. I post shorts almost every day. And you get to see a little glimpse of me and what I do. Anyway, y'all. Look, don't go to these overpriced beauty supply stores. If you want a wig, go on Amazon. They have good wigs, especially if you're not buying a human hair wig, okay? And if you don't want to go on Amazon, go to one of the websites that sells good hair, okay? If you want a nice quality wig. Other than that, don't bother with these dang stores. He's trying to tell me that all of the stuff that come from Amazon is used. Like, child. So that mean, shoot, dang near all of us done bought some from Amazon. So I guess everything we done got was used. Whew, child. Let me get up out of here, because y'all, that made me mad. That made me hot. Real mad.